Get ready to put your hands together as Tweetsie Railroad presents Diamond Lil's Can-Can Review.
Tweetsie's Grand Palace Saloon. Today we're going to show you a rip-roaring good time, so sit back and enjoy the show. And I'm sure you will, because today our show features a very, very special guest, Tweetsie's own melodious Marshall Collins. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, Marshall Collins! Miss Opal? What is going on?
Well, I want you to stay calm, Miss Lil, but we do have a small problem. You see, well, what I'm trying to say is, Marshall Collins isn't here. Speak up, honey, we can't hear you. Marshall Collins isn't here.
What?
She said Marshall Collins isn't here.
I'm going to have to put a bell on that man's neck. He takes off faster than a prairie fire in a tailwind.
A what?
Come on, girls, get out here.
Do any of you know where he might be?
No?
Not me. I sure don't. What? No! Miss Opal! This letter came for you.
Dearest Lillian, I'm sorry I couldn't tell you in person, but I had to leave town real quick like. My brother Cletus has run off to Kansas City so that he can become a sophisticated man and impress the ladies. Knowing that doofus, he'll get himself into a heap of trouble, so I'm taking the first train out to fetch Cletus and bring him home to Tweetsie. I should be back in 3 days. Yours truly, Marshall Collins.
Well, 3 days? How long ago did he give you this letter?
3 days ago. I meant to give it to you, Miss Lil, but it was on the same day that all those rugged pioneers were riding through town. They were obviously all whistling at me and making me feel real pretty. I was awfully distracted. Wait, if the letter was written 3 days ago, then he should be returning today.
That's a good idea, Miss Sapphire. I'll head on down to the train depot and look for the first train out of Kansas City.
Perfect, because I will stay here and entertain all the strong, burly cowboys.
Oh, no, you won't, Missy.
Yes, I will.
You made this mess, and you're going to help clean it up. Come on, come with me.
What are we supposed to do?
Stall.
Miss Sapphire, what are we gonna do? I'm not so grateful for people like this.
Well, why don't we have all these fine folks sing with us?
Okay, all right, so sing along if you know the words and clap when the time's right.
Stars at night are big and bright, deep in the heart of Texas. The very sky is wide and high, deep in the heart of Texas. Sage and is like perfume, deep in the heart of Texas. Reminds me of the one I love. Deep in the heart of Texas.
All right, everybody, sing along.
The stars at night are big and bright. Deep in the heart of Texas. The prairie sky is wide and high. Deep in the heart of Texas. The sage in blue is like perfume. Deep in the heart of Texas. Reminds me of the one I love. Deep in the heart of Texas. Deep in the heart of Texas.
There you are, Miss Opal. I thought I told you to help me look. Now go down to the train depot and look for the Collins brothers.
Any news about the boys, Miss Lil?
Well, the last train from Kansas City is scheduled to arrive any moment now. There's still a chance they could make it for the show.
But what are we gonna do?
Covered. We'll put in a new act, but it's got to be something big, something flashy, something totally over the top.
Howdy, everyone. We would like to welcome each and every single one of you to the Tweetsie Palace. I'm Diamond Lil, and these are my girls.
Miss Opal,
It's Diamond Lil.
is it now? What do you think you're doing?
Well, I was on my way to the train depot when I had this really great idea. I figured you were busy in Kansas City looking for the Collins brothers, and I thought somebody's gonna stay here and entertain this good-looking audience.
Well, yeah, but
Don't get too comfy.
I'm not going to Kansas City, and you are not the star of this show.
Please, Miss Lil, I want to do it. Just give me a chance. Forget it.
I'm sorry, Miss Opal, but you just don't have what it takes.
This letter, telegram, came for you, Miss Lil.
Well, thank you, Miss Sapphire. Dear Lil, stop. Still haven't found Cletus. Stop. Must stay in Kansas City. Stop. Marshall Collins. Stop.
What are we gonna do? Oh, well, if there's anything that I have learned from Miss Lil, is that the show must go on. We have everything we need right here for a show-stopping number. Just follow my lead. Okay, you guys are behind me and you're in the back. No, back. Honey, my name? No, Marquis. Off the stage, I'm in the front. Blue smoke climbing up the mountain. Blue smoke climbing around the bend. Blue smoke is the name of the heartbreak train. I left the road right here, and I won't be coming back. Blue smoke rolling, 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 rolling down the track. Clickety
what.
What?
If I ever have to leave the palace, I would be proud to have you take my place.
Really?
Yes, but not today. So go put away my things and get ready for our big finale. We want to thank you for sticking around with us today, folks. Marshall Collins better get back into town before I put up a posting for his job. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Put your hands together for the world's famous Tweetsie Can-Can.
And make sure you head on up to the country fair to ride some fun rides. And stick around very soon on this stage. There will be the magic show.
And don't forget to ride the train with all those handsome Tweetsie cowboys. Oh, it looks like we have a visitor today. Is everybody saying hello to Mr. Easter Bunny? All right, I believe Mr. Easter Bunny has come here to teach us all a dance today. Does anybody want to learn